How to fix access denied when editing hosts file in Windows. 1. Run Notepad as administrator. Plan B, run the following commands as admin. cdc:/windows/system32/drivers/ etc. notepad hosts 2. Copy the hosts file. c:/windows/system32/drivers/ etc. to a different location. 3. Make sure hosts isn't set to read only. 4. Give your account the full control access. Take ownership, if needed. 5. Use the hidden administrator account via NetUser administrator/ActiveES command. Then use that admin ID to edit Windows hosts file.